Good morning. I am Lucky, student of grade 1B. Today is 15 September 2025 and the day is Monday. For the recitation, I would like to call started. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم. Of the day, I would like to call Mirai. The third of the day is hard work is the key of success. Thank you. And tell you about the good habits of healthy life. Good morning, friends. Always wash your hands before and after. Good morning. We should greet our friends. Good morning. Always maintain discipline. Morning. It's healthy to drink milk daily. Good morning. I'll wait for your turn. Thank you. Always eat healthy food and keep yourself. Thank you. Good morning. Do exercise and keep yourself fit. Good morning. Always keep yourself neat and clean because it's a half of it. We should wake up early in the morning. Thank you. Throw litter in Dada's bed. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Always share your thing with others because sharing is caring. We should help each other because it's always. Good morning, Rishati is Ari. Good morning, be regular and punctual in the school.
Brush your teeth gently every day, up and down in every spot, brush it every day. Wash your face every morning bright, keep it clean so fresh and bright, feels so good and right. Wash your hands, clean them every time. Rub and rub, keep them clean and dry. Move around, exercise and play. Jump and run and have some fun, healthy every day. Eat your foods, veggies, fruits and grains. Milk and cheese Stories will make you strong, healthy habits gain. Read a book, exercise your mind. Stories, tales, and fairy tales, not